One time or another, we've probably done a family tree for a class project or combed through old photos with a relative to learn more about our past. Our Jim Ganal is on a journey this month to learn about his family history. He's working with the people from Ancestry.com, much like the NBC show, Who Do You Think You Are? He talked to Colleen Marshall about what he thinks they will find.
We all wonder where we came from, and for NBC4, it's not the Hollywood elite getting the theatrical version of a background check. It's our own Jim Ganal from Ancestry.com, the group that helps research the background of stars like Martin Sheen or Blair Underwood. While we're waiting on Ancestry to explain what they know about Jim, we wanted to know, what does he think they'll find? So what do you know, though, about the Ganal side going back?
Well, it's kind of interesting. I've been over to Austria, ski areas and stuff like that. You know how much I like snow and cold. And we found in a library in Bregenz, Austria, the Ganal family listed there. And they came right from there to Dubuque, Iowa. So that was an easy call, straight from there to Dubuque. So I knew that was where my ancestry originated from back that far, got here about 1902.
Will Ancestry uncover a Hollywood background for our chief meteorologist?
All I can remember is I saw in a Charlie Chaplin movie, talkie, black and white, without talking, there was a sign that said Ganal Lumber Company behind Charlie Chaplin in one of the movies. I thought, wow. So then I realized there was a Ganal family that had a lumber company in L.A.
Jim's close. We found it was actually a Buster Keaton film called Speak Easily. But until more answers come from Ancestry, Jim is in the dark. You have the basics.
That's more than I knew before.
But you don't know the history of what they did, what their jobs were, what their life was like.
Not at all.
Do you hope you find that out?
Yeah, that'd be really cool. Even if it's bad. Even if we're bank robbers. I'm worried that one of my ancestors maybe shot George Washington in the behind by mistake or something, you know?
Well, we're all big history buffs, so we're loving this.
And I never have been, but I started watching that show on NBC at 8 o'clock on Friday night, and it is very, very interesting. And they're flying me to Virginia this week because they found something. Cool. But they won't tell me anything about it.
It's kind of like Christmas Eve for you right now. You're just sitting here waiting to open your presents and find out.
Yeah,
huh?
I kind of hope we're bad. You know, because I've never been really bad.
Give you a mean streak.
Yeah, it would.
Well,
cool.
We get to find out right along with you. So
thanks.
This will be fun.
It's going to be neat. Can't wait to see it, Jim. Should be great. Well, coming up next Monday, a look inside how Ancestry.com does all of its matching. It's pretty cool.
And you'll have the chance to win a look at your family's genealogy. The Franklin County Genealogical and Historical Society will provide 2 winners with a family history book. Isn't that cool? To win, enter online now through February 27th. Just go to our website, NBC4i.com, and search history.
Can't wait to see it all unfold. For your health tonight.